Hi, I want to welcome you to the team, first of all. We're glad to have you on board, and we look forward to working with you. Secondly, I want to welcome you to the training on how to post to the page and move into an album. So we're going to get started. First of all, you want to have more than one tab open so that you can flip back and forth between the various tabs. You want to have a tab open for the main home page of our page. You also want to have a tab open to the photo section and open to all albums so that you can quickly pull an album up. And then you want to have a tab open for the group or wherever you happen to be working, looking for pets to post to the page. So in this case, we're working in the Campfire Paradise, California area Lost Found Animals group. And I have found a post that we're going to use this little dog. So we're going to click on his picture. Up pops, this is, we know this is the original post because it comes from the San Francisco SPCA. So we are going to link back to them in our post. So we're going to right click on the picture. We're going to do a save image as. You're going to save it into your album. The way I have my album set up, I have a California Fires album, then I have the Campfire, and then within Campfire I have various lost found cats, dogs. So in this case we have a found dog, and we save that picture. Now we're going to grab the information from that was posted with him. We're going to copy that, right click and copy that. We're going to go over to our main page where we're going to actually publish the post. We're at the top of the page. We're going to click Photo Video, Upload Photos Video. We're going to go to the album where we put our dog. There's his picture. We'll grab that. While that's uploading, we want to go ahead and put in our hashtags. We use hashtags because we're connected to Twitter and Instagram, so everything that we post goes out on both of those platforms. We also want people to be able to search within Facebook for the hashtags that we're using, and they are the most common hashtags that we have seen for this disaster. So in this case, we have lost dog, and these hashtags that I'm putting up are the required hashtags. If you want to put another hashtag, like maybe Labrador or Poodle or something like that, you can hashtag that as well because people may be doing a search by that. But the hashtags that I am about to show you are the ones that are required and need to be put on every single post. So we have lost dog, then we have campfire, we have campfire pets, and then we have CA Fire Pets, which is our Facebook page, handle thingy, whatever it's called. It's also our name on Instagram and our name on Twitter. So then you're going to space down, leave a blank space. You're going to right click and paste what you posted before. You're going to go to the end of that, space down. You're going to put OP, which is original post. And then you're going to come back over and you want to grab the URL from the original post. Copy that. Go back over to your post that you're creating. Paste that in. And publish. Once it comes up, this is the step that is needs to be done quickly before people start sharing the picture. You want to click on it again. You want to go down to the bottom and hover over options. Click on that. Go move to album. Pick your drop down. In the drop down list, pick the album that it needs to be placed in, which in this case is Found Dogs Campfire. Move the photo. Now the photo has been moved into the appropriate album, but we're not done. So we want to refresh our main page because right now it just shows that it has been published to the page. We want to refresh our page to make sure that it is in the correct album. So we're just going to hit refresh. We're going to scroll down to our post to ensure that we've got it in the correct album. And yes, it is in the Found Dogs Campfire album. We want to go ahead and click on the picture at this point. We want to grab the URL from the post that we just did. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go back to the original post, and we're going to comment on that post. With added to our Found Dogs Campfire album. Space out a little bit and then paste that URL in there and enter. And what happens is that gives the owner or the finder in this case a link back to our page. Here it is. I was looking for it. A link back to the post that we placed on our page. Now, I noticed on this picture there is a picture of an after picture. So this is what that dog looked like when they rescued it. This is what that dog looks like now. So let's go ahead and grab this picture. We want to do a save image as on that. Save it. Then we want to jump over to our post that we just did. And we want to comment on that with that picture. After he was all cleaned up and visiting with his firefighter heroes. And then we will paste that picture. Oops, sorry, we will put that picture, after picture, in here. And hit enter. Okay, so that's got that one done. Let's go and we'll do another one. Let's go find another one in our group that we're working. You just have to scroll down, look for one. Okay, here's a lost kitty. We're going to go and check to make sure that this kitty is, and we didn't do that I didn't do that in on that other picture because I had actually already checked the Found Dogs album and I knew it wasn't there. But before you post anything, go to the album for Lost Cats, if it's a Lost Cat, whatever album it would be placed in, and make sure that it's not already posted somewhere. If it's already posted, we don't want to duplicate. So in this case, we need to go to Lost Cats. And we're just going to scroll down through the the album and look to see if that cat has already been posted. There's a black and white. No, that's not the same cat. Lots of black and white kitties posted. Our kitty has an almost all black face. I don't think that's him. No. Keep scrolling and check to be sure he's not in here somewhere. Okay, I don't see our cat in the album. So in this case, she has taken 4 pictures. We want to upload all 4 of those pictures, but we want them to be in a collage so that they upload as 1 photo instead of 4. So we need to make a collage of the 4 individual photos that she has posted. So we're going to click on the picture. We're going to right click and do a save image as. We're going to put it into our Lost Cats album in this case. Go to the next picture, same procedure, right click, save image as, save it in our Lost Cats album. Isn't that the same picture? I guess it's a little bit different. So we'll do another save image as, save it there. And the 4th one, we'll do a save image as and save it. Now we're going to jump over to our collage program, which is PicCollage in this case. And we want to use a grid. We're going to add a picture. So it's Tap Anywhere. And we want to go to Lost Cats album. And hopefully it's at the bottom where it's easy to find. Yes. So there's that one. And we're going to put it in a grid of 3. So let's see what our choices are. 3 or 4? Maybe it was 4. Let's do 4. Okay. We'll pick another photo. Another one. And what was the last one? Oh, with the lamp. Okay. That one. Okay, and now we can kind of move the pictures around Make sure they're as much of the details as you can get on the animal. So that looks good. Now we want to save it. Doesn't really matter, just save. We want to save it in our Lost Cats album. Okay. Now we're going to go over to the original post. In this case, he has posted into the group, and he's posted more than one photo. So there's not a way to link to this actual post. So what we're going to link to is his profile. So we're going to grab the information that he has posted, copy it. We're going to go over to our page so that we can publish our post. Get up to the top. I'm going to click on Photo Video, Upload Photos, Videos, find our picture. Might be at the top. There it is. Okay, we're going to put that in. Now we're going to put in our hashtag, Lost Cat, Campfire, Campfire Pets, CA Fire Pets. Space down, paste the information that you took from the original post. Space down. In this case, we're not going to say OP for original post. We're going to say owner. We're going to come over to his profile, and we are going to grab the URL, copy that, paste it, and publish. Once it pops up, we want to click on it. We want to hover at the bottom and pick Options. Move to Other Album. We want to put it in our Lost Cats Campfire album. Move the photo. Refresh our page to ensure that right now it is published. It's not in the album yet. It's in the album because we've moved it, but it doesn't show that it's in the album until we refresh our page. Let's scroll down, find our post. It is posted in the Lost Cats Campfire album. We want to click on our picture. Click on and copy the URL. Go back to the original post and note that we have posted it in our album, posted in our Lost Cats Campfire album. Space over and paste the URL and enter. And up pops our listing, our post on our page. So now this guy knows that we have posted his kitty on our page, and he can now watch the comments on our post as well. So that is the process. If you have any questions, you can get with me, Michelle, with Marilyn, or with Chrissy. Any of us can help you with the posting process. If you get stuck, just ask us and we'll be happy to walk you through it. And again, we're very happy to have you on our team, and we look forward to working with you.